Did you know that your kidneys sometimes can serve as a replacement for other organs in your body? Well, it may sound ridiculous, but it's true. When your body is unable to generate vitamin D through the skin or liver, your kidneys take charge and produce this important vitamin. Our kidneys are not just responsible for pumping more than 50 gallons of blood per day or filtering out waste from our body, they also assist in maintaining blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and balancing electrolytes. In short, your kidneys do more for you than you realize. But what happens when our kidneys get overwhelmed with toxins and impurities? In today's so-called high-tech world, our bodies, including our kidneys, are constantly bombarded with pollutants, harmful chemicals, and other toxins. From what we eat to what we breathe, our kidneys always bear the brunt of these toxins. That's why it's crucial to give them a little extra love and attention. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 foods that will help cleanse your kidneys fast and keep them functioning at their best. All these foods are natural, tasty, and can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. So, without turning this intro into a kidney geeky lecture, let's get straight into the kidney cleansing foods. Garlic. To start off our list, let's talk about the most versatile spice in the kitchen, and not to mention one of the most effective kidney cleansing foods, garlic. This tiny, pungent vegetable has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. Garlic is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which are essential for reducing inflammation in the kidneys and improving overall renal function. These antioxidants also play a crucial role in fighting oxidative stress, a significant factor in kidney damage and the progression of chronic kidney diseases. It also contains a sulfur compound called allicin, which gives garlic its distinct smell and flavor. Allicin has been studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to fight infection. Garlic can also enhance the immune system, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels, all of which are beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Plus, other allicin-rich foods like onions, shallots, chives, and leeks also offer similar benefits for kidney health. If you have blood pressure or cholesterol issues, mixing small chops of garlic and honey can work wonders. You can also incorporate garlic in your daily meals, such as using it as a seasoning or adding it to soups and stews. To put it simply, garlic is the most potent and beneficial food for kidney health due to its rich content of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that provide numerous benefits for overall health and kidney function. Cranberries. The next kidney cleansing food that I, sweetly, want to talk about is cranberries. These tart and tangy berries may taste goodly delicious, but they also have tons of health benefits that can improve your overall well-being, and yes, that includes your kidneys, too. While these berries are often associated with preventing urinary tract infections due to their high levels of proanthocyanidins, they also have a host of other health benefits that can support kidney function. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. They also contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of UTIs and allowing your kidneys to function more efficiently. In 2013, a study in the Journal of Urology showed that cranberry juice can prevent bacteria from attaching to the urinary tract, which is important for preventing harmful infections. However, if you're not a fan of cranberries, other berries like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries all have similar benefits for kidney health. These berries are low in calories and high in essential nutrients such as vitamin C, fiber, folate, and manganese, all of which are vital for keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning at their best. You can make a delicious kidney cleansing smoothie with these berries or simply add them to your daily meals for an added nutritional boost. Apples or apple cider vinegar. An apple a day can keep the doctor away, and this old saying couldn't be more accurate, especially when it comes to keeping your kidneys clean, healthy, and functioning properly. Apples are a nutritious and beneficial fruit that is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that provide numerous health benefits. The high fiber content of apples is essential for lowering cholesterol levels and promoting a healthy digestive system, which indirectly supports kidney health. The anti-inflammatory properties of apples also protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammation, a common issue in kidney-related problems. Plus, apples are low in potassium, a necessary but limited nutrient for individuals with kidney issues, and can be incorporated into a kidney care regimen without any worry. If you want to take your apple intake to the next level, you can also opt for apple cider vinegar. This fermented liquid is like a concentrated version of the benefits found in apples. It is known to increase antioxidant levels, balance blood sugar, and reduce blood pressure, all of which create an optimal environment for kidney health. Apple cider vinegar also contains citric acid, which can help dissolve kidney stones and flush out toxins from the kidneys with regular intake. So whether you prefer eating apples or drinking apple cider vinegar, both can play a significant role in maintaining and improving the health of your kidneys. However, it's always best not to eat or drink them in excessive amounts. As with any food or drink, moderation is key for reaping the benefits without any potential negative effects. Lemon juice. Moving on to our next well-known kidney cleansing food, we have lemon juice. While water is one of the most healthy, effective, and natural ways to flush toxins out of your kidneys, adding a little bit of lemon juice can amplify its benefits even more. Lemon juice is high in citric acid, which works as an effective agent for preventing kidney stone formation. The increased citrate levels in urine help bind to calcium and prevent it from forming into stones. Lemon juice is also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and fight off infections, including UTIs. Additionally, lemon juice has diuretic properties that increase urine production and flush out toxins from your kidneys regularly. It can even help dissolve existing kidney stones, making it a powerful tool for individuals with a history of kidney stone problems. For those with kidney stones, combining lemon juice with olive oil can help ease the passage of stones and reduce discomfort. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption of lemon juice can lead to an imbalance in the body's pH levels and may cause harm. It's best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating large amounts of lemon juice into your diet for kidney health. If you want to add a little bit of flavor and detoxify your kidneys, you can try adding a slice of lemon to your glass of water or incorporating it into your meals as a dressing or marinade. With its numerous health benefits, lemon juice is undoubtedly a valuable addition to any kidney-healthy diet. Leafy greens. The final kidney cleansing food that I want to highlight is leafy greens. These nutrient-dense vegetables are an essential part of any well-balanced diet and can significantly benefit kidney health. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, broccoli, basils, mustard, turnip, and dandelion leaves, are the powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that help flush out toxins, lower blood pressure, and protect against various diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and kidney disease. These greens are also rich in vitamin C, folate, fiber, vitamin K, and many other phytonutrients that reduce stress on the kidneys, balance blood sugar, and combat inflammation. A 2015 study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology stated that a diet abundant in leafy greens can significantly benefit kidney health. The antioxidants in these greens work to neutralize harmful toxins and aid the kidneys in their detoxification process. But one little, or maybe big, thing that you should keep in mind is that all leafy greens are also rich in potassium, which can be problematic for individuals with chronic kidney disease. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or dietitian and monitor your potassium intake if you have kidney disease. You can also try cooking leafy greens in water to reduce their potassium content or pairing them with calcium-rich foods to balance out the potassium levels in your body. Overall, leafy greens are like a superfood for your kidneys and overall health. There are also other foods that can support kidney health, such as bell peppers, ginger, turmeric, beets, pomegranate, watermelon, and berries. All of these foods can cleanse and nourish your kidneys to function at their best. However, the top 5 foods that we have shared with you today are the most potent and effective kidney cleansing solutions that will have the most significant impact on your kidney health. From reducing the risk of kidney stones and UTIs to promoting detoxification and boosting overall wellness, these foods are a must-add to your diet for optimal kidney health. But before you start incorporating these foods into your daily meals, we again remind you to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Every individual's body is different, and it's crucial to listen to your doctor's advice and tailor your diet accordingly. Also, avoid foods that are high in sodium, refined sugars, and saturated fats, as they can harm your kidneys and overall health. With a balanced and kidney-friendly diet, along with regular exercise and staying hydrated, you can ensure the best care for your kidneys and overall well-being. We hope this video is giving you some valuable insights into how to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and be well.